Hi guys, hope you're having a great Wednesday. Today we're going to do a social justice activity. All social justice activities are project grades, which means they're worth 35% of your grade. So today you're going to look at some pictures and some video and then answer the questions. So it says, hello, today we'll discuss and define personal rights. Personal is you and your rights as a human being, like what you can do. Based on your opinion, which means you can't be wrong, you will look at the pictures and video and complete the questions, plural. You can either speak your answers by using the microphone or you can type your answer. After each question, click Submit, the blue button on the bottom. Click Mark as done in Google Classroom when you are done, and then you can go to PowerSchool and complete any assignments in Google Classroom. All right, so when you click on the assignment for today, it'll bring you to this page after you sign in with Google. So it says 1014, Wednesday in social studies, social justice, and personal rights. This page can be read to you if you click on this here. You can listen to it. You can change the language if you want to read it in Spanish or any other language. Just click Spanish, Latin America, whole document, and then you can hear it in Spanish. So you do that throughout the whole slides if you like. All right, you're then going to click the blue arrow and go to the first question. And the first question says, social justice is the view that everyone deserves the same personal, political, and economic rights. Personal rights are rights from you as a person. Political have to deal with the government, and then economic has to deal with money. So should we all have the same rights, no matter your race, your class status, your economic status, if you're living in poverty, or if you're rich, or if you're middle class, your gender, or any other characteristics? Do you agree with this statement? So you could say, yes, I agree, or no, I don't agree. And then you can record your answer here on the bottom. Yes, I agree, everyone should have the same personal rights. Or no, I don't think everyone should have the same personal rights because, and then your answer. And then when you're done, you click this little blue button. I'm sorry, this button down here. And then you click this blue submit button on the bottom to submit your answer. If you want to look at the picture, you can. This is a picture of Justice and different colored people, different size people, different everything about people, but we're all equal, depending on your point of view. And again, you can have the question read to you by clicking on the book. You can change the language. You want to read it in Spanish or German or Greek or whatever language you want to hear it in. You can click whole document so you can hear the whole document, and then it'll play it in Spanish. And you can hear the question that way. You can click on the words and it will tell you in English and Spanish. So you can see them both. Anything that says economics always deals with money. And then you go to the next one. It says over the next few weeks, we'll be looking at 3 areas that make up social justice definition: personal rights, political rights, economic rights. So these are your rights as a person. This is your rights when you play a role in the government, like by voting. And this is the rights for money, like who should get money from the government or who shouldn't get money by the government. So economic just deals with money. And then you'll play. You can play and listen to this. And then you can listen to this and it breaks down what we're going to talk about. Then you'll do a poll. You could just click on, do you know what personal rights are? You say yes, you do, or no, you don't, or you're not sure. Again, your opinion can't be wrong. You can listen to the question by clicking on this book and it will play it for you. You can hear it. If you're not sure what these words mean, maybe it could break it down for you. Then you'll do the open-ended question here. You're gonna watch the video. The video is 5 minutes long. It's gonna tell you what personal rights are. You could write it down here, or you can speak it. So you just click on this video right here. It'll open it for you. Then you can just press play. It's 4 minutes long. And then it breaks down the rights of citizens for you. You identify 3 personal rights that the video discusses. He gives you like a whole timeline of personal rights. What do you think are most important? What rights do you think are most important? Again, your opinion. And do you think personal rights should be limited? Like, should there be a cap on personal rights? Should they say, hey, you can have so many rights and then that's it? Or you'd say, yes, I think there should be a limit, or no. So you have to explain yourself and your thinking. And again, you can listen to the questions and you can listen to the question in English, you can listen to the question in Spanish. You can type your answer here. You can speak your answer here. But when you're done each one, make sure you click submit. After each, when you're done all these questions, make sure you click submit. And then you're done. That's it. So you're answering 5 total questions and then 1 poll. So that is your assignment for today. I would also recommend that you go to helpful websites, click into PowerSchool, and log into PowerSchool, or you can avoid all that, go to your classes, and then click on to do. Mine says to review, but yours says to do, and then click on done, and then see all of your grades, see how you're doing. So that's my suggestion for today. I'm on Zoom all day from 9:30 on. So you can hop on Zoom if you have any questions, and I will gladly answer them for you. All right, I hope you have a great day. Take your time with everything, and make sure you click mark as done when you're done. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.